Hi, this is Robert Sove with Monarch Tax and Advisory with your September newsletter note. September is an important month for businesses and individuals. On the 15th, business returns are due, and your safe harbor estimated payments are due on September 15th. Below are a couple quick links to access the IRS and the state of Colorado website if you want to pay those online. Another note here, time to start thinking about tax planning, whether you're a small business owner and just a Schedule C, or an S-Corp owner and need to do a special year-end payroll. We're going to be reaching out to you soon to get that scheduled if you're interested in year-end tax planning. And for individuals, if something unique happened, it's also a good chance to reach out to us and see where your tax liability might land. One of the advantages to doing tax planning is that you don't have to worry about April 15th so much. Now it's just an extension date. We've already calculated what your tax liability is, and so you can take some time off, go on spring break, and we can finish up your return during the summer. So we alleviate some anxiety of that crunch time in the spring, especially if it's your business's busy season. Upcoming, we will be doing a couple more webinars. We had a good response with what we did for the One Big Beautiful Bill. We're going to do an AI webinar just to demystify it for folks and talk about some AI safety and tips for everybody. We're going to have a small business startup webinar answering some questions about starting up a business. These are just frequently asked questions that we help clients with every day. We just want to share them with everybody to be useful. Then this fall, we'll talk depreciation expense with everyone. And this is especially helpful for small business owners, demystifying what depreciation expense is, what depreciation recapture is. Even if you have a rental property, this is something you need to understand because Section 1250 recapture is a real thing and can surprise people when they go to sell their property after many years. And lastly, we're going to have some webinars in November and December, just going through what the tax filing process looks like, from signing your engagement letter, to sending us your documents, to communicating with us, to scheduling your tax return, and to finally delivery of your tax return. We'll look forward to talking to all you guys soon again. Bye-bye.